Oh, they all cry and chew on me. And them two are growling at my laundry. And one of them's crying. Echo's just on here staring at me. Like, I'm trying to put this stuff here, and she's just staring at me. And then this one keeps crawling on me, or some of them keep crawling on me and holding onto my leg. It's kind of weird. It's like they have hands or something, like bears. She just doesn't want to feed him. Like, she was feeding him not too long ago. See? Look how dumb that is. What's wrong with you? Oh, she's sticking his whole foot in there. This one has to eat by itself because it's a little bit sick. Got stomach issues. Drink all the milk, now he just needs to eat the kibble. These guys eat it pretty well. I don't think he eats kibble, I think he just licks the milk. Oh, what happened was that Echo wasn't feeding them, and she wouldn't feed them, and she doesn't want to feed them. Like, she feeds them a little bit, probably maybe for 2 minutes or 5 minutes. And then there's sometimes where she will feed them like a full 30 minutes or whatever, or until they're done. But lately she just doesn't want to feed them as much. Sometimes she will. So what we did was we went to the vet because this one, which my mom and I have decided to name Teddy, was getting diarrhea, and then Echo's had diarrhea, and they're like, okay, well, they checked him, and he doesn't have any like stomach problems. He just has like a little bit of like upset stomach. That's why he has diarrhea. But yeah, so we told him about how Echo wasn't feeding him, so he told us just to like get formula for our puppies, and which is pretty cool that they have, and pretty smart actually. But yeah, so he's eating by himself because he has a little bit of stomach problem. We don't want to get the other one sick. But he does not like eating kibble. He just likes drinking the milk. I'm just gonna wait until they're done eating before I can put them back down on the ground. Thanks for giving me some yellow, orange spots. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. And they're old enough to have kibble too, so it's kind of a good thing that she decided to stop feeding them at their age instead of when they need to have milk instead of kibble. So luckily, the bag says to like feed them at 8 weeks, or when you buy kibble for them, but you can give them kibble at 4 weeks if it's watered down and stuff. And we decided to water it down with formula, so which is good because they get full faster and they don't get as hungry. So this one's Teddy, starting to eat the kibble. The one with the white tail is Dipper. That one is Buddy, or Bud. And that one looks like it's Bear. There's the little one right there, the littlest one, you can barely see in between them two, is Littlefoot. And this one, look, I'm assuming is, yeah, it is Doll. There we go. So you met the whole gang, and Teddy's still eating. And we decided to put newspapers down here because you pee on the ground and I don't really like that. Still recording. Okay, we're gonna just have to clean it up, and now he's just playing, which is good. And